What's up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I print off pictures from my computer and put them on my shirts. So first I'm going to be using Brent Fayez, and I printed him off from my camera, as y'all can see. And I'm also going to be printing off a picture of Jesus, hallelujah, and I'm going to be putting him on my shirt too. And yeah, basically I'm just printing them off now, and then from there I'm gonna get to the hard work. Okay guys, so all you're gonna need for this part is some scissors. Right now I'm just cutting off the white borders because you don't need those, but it doesn't really matter if you leave some on because I'm gonna be using a white t-shirt, so it's totally fine. But cut all the white borders off though, just in case. So I got these t-shirts from Walmart for $3 each. I got the size extra large because I like that big t-shirt look, and they always look cute with some jeans and some biker shorts, you know. But I got parchment paper, and I also got some plastic saran wrap. The plastic saran wrap is gonna go around the photo, and that's basically what's gonna hold it down once you get to ironing it. And also try to make sure there's no air or any bubbles in the saran wrap when you're doing this part, because I noticed like on previous ones when I put the parchment paper on top that it kind of burned through the saran wrap, so just make sure it's nice and neat under it. So now that it's sealed, you want to kind of just line it up on the shirt and to put it in the area where you think you want to iron it down. I'm going to go for the lower, like really the middle of the shirt. I don't want it too high and I don't want it too low. So this is a good spot right here. Now I'm just pulling out the parchment paper and I'm going to place it on top and just get to ironing. Another key for this process is to not have water in your iron. It just makes a better outcome, so make sure y'all empty your iron before y'all do this. For this part, I'm actually breaking off little pieces of saran wrap and putting it in the corners. This just makes it more stable so that it won't come up, and this is the outcome, guys. I did not make this up, guys. This was a video on TikTok that my cousin had saw, and I saw her make one. I was like, oh my gosh, you gotta show me, you gotta show me. And so she tagged me in the video, so yeah, shout out to you, cuz. But y'all, this is so clutch, and I hope y'all like this video. If y'all like the outcome, don't forget to comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Okay, that's the end of this video. Thank y'all for watching. I actually like the outcome. Y'all don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you on the next.
Stretching like elastic, no, every little bit.